I've got a great one for you. You're really going to love this. No matter where the faucet in the house is, if you have a lime buildup, it's a problem and it means a lot of scrubbing. But I've got a way to get that lime buildup off without a lot of work. All it takes is a little piece of plastic wrap, some vinegar. I like white vinegar. Use your favorite kind. A bowl and a rag. Fill the bowl with vinegar like I've done here. Put the rag into the vinegar. Get it good soaking wet. Lightly wring the rag out. Not a lot. And place the rag on top of the faucet. Wrap it nice and snug around the faucet everywhere that there's lime buildup. Then the plastic wrap right on top of the rag. And you're using the plastic wrap so that the vinegar that's on the rag won't evaporate, because you're going to leave this overnight. Come back the next morning, take the plastic wrap and the rag off of the faucet, wipe it down with a soft clean cloth, and you're going to have brand new shiny fixtures all over again. And that's all there is to it.